Today, I would like to talk about the importance of positivity in our lives, guided by the beautiful teachings of Islam. In Islam, positivity is more than just a mindset. It is a way of living that brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and helps us navigate through life's challenges with grace and patience. First, let's remember the words of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who said, "Amazing is the fear of the believer, for there is good for him in every matter. If he is happy, then he thanks Allah, and thus there is good for him. And if he is harmed, then he shows patience, and thus there is good for him." This hadith teaches us that no matter what situation we find ourselves in, there is always a reason to remain positive and hopeful. Islam encourages us to have a positive outlook on life by focusing on gratitude. In Surah Ibrahim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَئِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. But if you deny, indeed my punishment is severe. By being thankful for the blessing we have, we attract more goodness into our lives and strengthen our faith. Another powerful teaching is to trust in Allah's plan. Sometimes life we may not go as we expect, but Allah knows what is best for us. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَعَسَىٰ أَن تَكْرَهُوا شَيْئًا وَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ وَعَسَىٰ أَن تُحِبُّوا شَيْئًا وَهُوَ شَرٌ لَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ وَأَنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you have a thing and it is bad for you, and Allah knows while you not know. This verse reminds us to remain positive and trust that Allah's wisdom is greater than our own. Furthermore, Islam encourages us to be kind and spread positivity to others. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best of people are those who are most beneficial to people." By helping others and spreading kindness, we not only make their life better but also enrich our own soul. In conclusion, embracing positivity in our daily lives is a key aspect of our faith. By being grateful, trusting in Allah, and spreading kindness, we can cultivate a positive outlook that brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and makes our life and the lives of those around us more fulfilling. Positivity is about seeing the good in every situation, staying hopeful, and believing that things will get better. It's like a light that shines through the darkest time. Being positive doesn't mean ignoring the problem. It means facing them with a strong heart and clear mind. When we are positive, we can handle stress better, make good decisions, and inspire others. So, here are few simple ways to stay positive I would like to share with you. Number one is gratitude. Take a moment each day to think about what you are thankful for. It can be as simple as a word from friend. Second one is positive people. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and make you feel good about yourself. Third one is kindness. Do something kind for someone else. Even a small act can bring a lot of joy and positivity into your life. And fourth one is focus on solution. Instead of dwelling on a problem, think about what you can do to solve them. So this shift in thinking can make a big difference. The fifth one is take care of yourself. Eat well, exercise every day, and get enough sleep. When you feel good physically, it's easier to stay positive mentally. And remember, positivity is a choice. Every day we can choose to be positive, to look for the good, and to spread happiness. So let's choose positivity and make the world a happier place for everyone. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the strength to remain positive and grateful and fill our heart with peace and contentment.